It is very easy to determine whether a ball valve is in the open or closed position. This part of the valve is called the seat, which, in this type of valve, is spherical and shaped like a ball. This component is referred to as the handwheel, which is used to change the position of the seat. When the handwheel is not aligned with the direction of flow, the valve is fully closed. Conversely, when the handwheel is aligned with the direction of flow, the valve is fully open. With this simple observation, one can quickly and easily identify the position of ball valves and quick-acting valves at a glance.